Teaching is one of the most rewarding jobs in the world. But let's be honest, it's also one of the hardest. Endless lesson plans, grading, and trying to make classes engaging, all while racing against the clock. But what if a free AI tool could actually help teachers save time, stay organized, and even bring a little spark of creativity into their lessons? Today, we're exploring exactly that, with an app called Effie. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever planned without it. Welcome back to Everyday AI, where we make artificial intelligence simple and useful for your everyday life. If you're a teacher, or even just someone who helps others learn, today's tool could change the way you plan lessons forever. Let's dive in. Here's the truth. Most teachers spend hours outside the classroom planning, writing objectives, creating worksheets, preparing presentations, and then redoing it all for the next grade level. It's exhausting. I still remember my friend Anna, a history teacher. She loved her subject, but hated lesson planning because it took away time from her family. She once told me, "By the time I finish planning, I'm too tired to actually enjoy teaching." And that's the problem Effie is here to solve. So, what is Effie? Effie is a free AI writing and productivity tool. Think of it like your personal teaching assistant that never complains and works 24/7. You can use it to brainstorm ideas, generate lesson outlines, or even write structured teaching materials, all in seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. Begin by downloading the Effie app for Windows. You can get it directly from the official Effie website or through the Microsoft Store. Once installed, this is the main interface you'll see. Imagine you're preparing a history lesson for 7th grade on the Renaissance. Instead of spending hours searching through old notes, here's how Effie can help you instantly. Click on Lesson Plan. Enter the grade level or age group of your students. Under Teaching Goals, provide Effie with a clear prompt. For example, create a 45-minute lesson plan on the Renaissance for 7th graders. To make the output even more useful, add details such as include objectives, a short activity, and a fun fact. This helps Effie tailor the lesson exactly to your needs. You may also enter additional information for more precise results. For this demonstration, we'll keep it simple. Just click Generate Now and wait for the magic to happen. Look at that! Goals are clear, there's a warm-up activity, and even a closing discussion point. This isn't just a draft, it's a foundation you can actually teach with. Now let's try something completely different. Imagine you're a science teacher, planning a lesson on the water cycle, but you want it to be interactive. Go to Lesson Plan and write, create an engaging science lesson on the water cycle for 5th graders. Add activities like add a hands-on experiment idea and a simple homework assignment. This is brilliant! Effie not only outlined the key points, but it also suggested a hands-on experiment, making a mini water cycle in a plastic bag. Kids love this because they can literally watch evaporation and condensation happen at home. And the homework is simple but effective. Observe and document evidence of the water cycle in your daily life over the next 3 days. Engaging and educational, all in a single click. Remember Anna, my teacher friend? When I showed her Effie, she used it to cut her planning time in half. Instead of working until midnight, she was able to spend evenings with her kids. And she told me she actually felt excited about teaching again. That's the real power of AI tools like Effie. They don't replace teachers. They give teachers back their most valuable resource: time. So, if you're a teacher, tutor, or even a parent helping your child learn, give Effie a try. It's free, easy to use, and could transform the way you plan lessons. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Everyday AI for more tutorials, And share this video with a teacher who deserves a little less stress in their life. See you in the next video.